Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a reverse linked list. So let's see the example here. We have the linked list like this. We have to reverse the order. So it means that 4 will point to 3, 3 will point to 2, 2 will point to 1. And how can we solve this question? So we have to have this 3 pointer. Okay. So I lost, missed the next here. Okay. So that's the starting position, right? So we just check. Have a for loop, right? As long as our current is not equal to null, okay, we'll keep doing the following instruction. First, we have to remember the next node, otherwise we will lose the connection. Okay, so it's current and next, and then we have to point the current node. The current node will point to the previous node. So we set the previous node to null. So the current node will point to the previous node. So in this case, we will just remove this connection, and 1 will point to the null, right? And then we just right now we have to update all the pointer. We have to move the pointer. The previous one have to become the current one. P will move to here, and the current one will become the next one. So it will become this. Okay. So P will point to the 1 and C will point to 2. And start again. C is not equal to null. C next equals to N, right? Next. And then C next will point to previous one. So in this case, 2 will point to 1. And we have to remove this connection, and then P will become C. Previous will become current node, and current node will become next node. So we just keep move again, right? And we'll keep doing this iteration until one day C goes here. And we already finished the iteration. It means that we already finished the iteration. And then we just return the previous node, because the previous node will point to the last node in our case, and then that's our answer. So let's see the code in action. Okay, I have to resize this so it's a little bit smaller. So as I said, right, first we have to check the boundary. Head equal to null. Just return head, or return null is fine. And then we have to have a P. P means previous. It's this node. Okay. And we have to have current node. It's pointing to our head right now. And as long as our current node, okay, is not equal to null, we will do the following instruction that we will remember the next node in order to prevent lost connection. Okay, so the current next, right, and then the current next will point to the previous. Previous is null in this case, and then we have to update the previous to the current, and the current to the next, and then in the end we just return the previous one. Yeah, and since we loop through the linked list, so the time complexity is the length of the linked list, and the space complexity is all 1 because we don't use extra space. Let's see. Okay, submit. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching.